Hey, it's Emily Travels and today I am going to Banner Hills Sunworld. It's about 8 o'clock and we are heading off. It's going to take us about 45 minutes from Da Nang City. We're getting a grab and it's going to cost us about 351,000 Vietnamese dong, which is £11, and we're going to be splitting it between 4 of us, so it's not too bad. So yeah, I thought I'd take you along so you can see what it's like. We just arrived and we're in the car park now. There's a little free kind of shuttle bus to go up to the top. We literally just got off the shuttle bus. It was like 30 seconds up a hill and we're going to see if we can head in now. Okay, so we've got our tickets now. We got the buffet added on, so the buffet was $255 and the actual ticket was $750. We also booked the wax museum here as well, so it was $90,000. Altogether it cost us £36. So yeah, it's really good and we're here now, it's super sunny, so we're going to have a look round. Ciao. We're just heading up to the cable car now. We're going to head to the Golden Bridge first. Now we're in the queue to head on to the cable car.
In this fairy tale scene, you will have the chance to conquer the majestic peak of Chua Mountain at 1,487 metres high.
Just getting up to the top now, it's about 10 minutes I think, and we can see the Golden Bridge today. Just got off the cable car now, and our first stop is the Golden Bridge. We've made it. Literally so busy, so many people, and it's so sunny today as well. About 10 o'clock and it's a Wednesday, but it's definitely not as busy as we've seen it on some of the videos we've watched. I'd recommend maybe like 8 or 9 come in. We're heading on to the next bit now. The bridge is just behind me, going down to get the next cable car. Not sure yet where it takes us, we'll see. Just walked down now and there's loads of little things to do. We've got the Love Bridge, the flower garden, the wine cellar. So cool.
Yeah.
So we're just heading into the maze garden, which we found. We've literally been in the flower garden and walking around like the whole area for about maybe 45 minutes. It's really cool, there's loads to do here. And now we're going to head off to the cable car finally. We're trying to find it so we can head over to the other land. lovely. We just got in the lift to try and get to the Alpine coaster, which is out here. Yeah, inside there's like loads of rides and arcade games and stuff, so we're definitely going to have a look in there as well. So you see the sign. We just walked up because it says Alpine coaster, but actually it's not there. So if you see that sign, it takes you to kind of like a building site. So when you do come, maybe it might be built, but at the minute, it's nothing. You can just see. I hope you got that on camera.
I was looking at the map and I couldn't even see the kid. I moved him.
You're like this at the map. So we've got our buffet tickets. It's on 11 till 2:30 and it's about 12:30 now. So we're going to head over there. So our buffet ticket is for restaurant 1. So we're just heading down the escalator now. It's literally a 3-story, no, it's like a 4-story restaurant. Crazy. So we're just in the buffet now. I definitely recommend it. It is really worth it. There's loads of different foods to pick from, desserts, loads of drink choices. It was only 255 Vietnamese dong, which is about £8.50. So for drinks, desserts and everything, it's really, really good. We're headed into Jurassic now. This is the dinosaur park. You can walk around and just go in it for free. It looks really cool. We're just heading out of the Jurassic experience. It's really cool. It's like 5 minutes, just a little walk around. It's all free. And you walk through this like massive arcade carnival kind of bit. It's really cool. And now we're heading into the Wax Museum. Cost us 90,000 Vietnamese dong. If you buy it in advance, it actually costs 100. So buy it at the entrance when you get in, and it's a little bit cheaper. Elton John's looking about the best, guys. Angelina Jolie, she looks a little bit scary. We've both got really green eyes. And Leonardo DiCaprio. Everyone's got these little green eyes. Got the Royals. For anybody that maybe doesn't know what the Royals look like, this is not it. Sorry guys. We've just come out of the Wax Museum. It was only 100,000 dong, so if you really want to go in for a bit of a laugh, it's definitely worth it. But it is quite funny. We're just queuing for the Alpine coaster now. We kept walking past it all day to see if the queue would go down, but it hadn't. Probably been waiting for about 20 minutes, and there's 2 different lines, but they both go down the same track, so we're going to head onto it and see what it's like. And then there's another one over the other side as well, another coaster, so we'll try and get onto that one, just over there. We're queuing up now for Alpine Coaster 2. There's 2 different ones in the park. We couldn't find this one, it was really difficult. You basically get into Fantasyland and it's straight there, but we was going like all around the arcade. This one's a little bit shorter, the queue, and it looks like it's a bit more windy, so we'll let you know how it goes. Into the 5D cinema, which is like a cowboy theme. We've got our 3D glasses and this is what it looks like. I think it's going to be quite cool, like we're riding our own horse or something. So definitely I recommend the 5D where you get to like shoot and ride on a horse, and the 4D cinema. It was actually really cool. We got here this morning at 9 o'clock and it is now 5:30, so it definitely will take like a whole day to kind of do this. Especially with kids, there's loads of like arcade games. We've just been on some and most of them are free, so it's really fun. You've got like 3 different cinemas, a few rides inside, and obviously you've got the 2 Alpine coasters and the whole park to have a look around. I really recommend it. It is really cool. If you're in Da Nang, why not? So So it's nearly 6 o'clock now and we're nearly heading out of the park. It closes at 7 in here and it's all lit up tonight. It looks so nice. I'm really glad that we came back here so that we could see it all lit up. Just literally see the sunset. We're like above the clouds. So cool. It's really, really nice. I definitely recommend staying all day so you can see it. So this is the French Quarter all lit up at night time. It looks so nice. Feels like you could actually be in France. We're heading back to the Da Nang City cable car now. It's about 20 minutes down again, the same as it is coming up. I'm thinking it's going to look really cool because it's going to be all dark. So on our way to the cable car, the second one now, we had to get on one from Fantasyland, then it drops you off at another one back to Da Nang City. Heading to get our grab back to the hotel now. Thanks for watching guys, I definitely recommend coming here. It was really, really fun and we've literally spent all day here. It's 7 o'clock now and we got here at 9. So you definitely need a whole day to do all this stuff. We was really lucky with the weather as well. Yeah, hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and join me on my next adventure. Bye!